Quick update, feeding my koi in Darkwood Aquaponics. There's some really beautiful koi here. After putting an ultraviolet clarifier on the system, I've been able to get the water crystal clear. There's the UV clarifier there. As you can see, crystal clear. Thought I'd just try and give you a quick update on about 25 juvenile koi. Some I've had in the system for about 4 months. As you can see there, it's crystal clear, you can see all the way to the bottom. This red scoria filter has worked out really well. I'm growing in there organic beetroot, some Lamandra hystrix seeds that I germinated about 6 months ago, and some rogue lettuce seeds have come up. This is my, try and get it so that you don't get the reflection on it. This is the floating raft system here, goes back here. So I T-junctioned off the inlet from the water pump so I could feed water to the clarifier on the recirculating part of the system. Filtration part goes through this barrel. I've modified my barrel so that now I turned it into a swirl filter. And I've actually fitted a sponge in there so the water traps, so that the sponge traps the solids in the barrel and just overflows into here. 1,000 litre ag drum I have full of netting. Water goes down to the bottom of the barrel, down here, and comes up, percolates through netting. I've got an air venturi feed system that I've hooked up here to there. Air venturi feed. To draw water up, water up from the bottom as well. And the lettuce are just going so well. I'm selling about 10 lettuce a week, so they're all in different stages of production. Anyway, that's the latest. My koi update, aquaponics system update from Darkwood Aquaponics. I'm Nigel Harrington, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want any advice, message me.